Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Leadpages for webinar and lead capture, complete guide step by step clearly. Look for the Get Started button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on this button to be directed to the subscription options. You will encounter various pricing plans designed to fit different needs. Review the plans carefully to find the one that aligns with your goals for webinars and lead capture. Once you've selected a plan, click on the Start Free Trial or Choose Plan button associated with your choice. This will direct you to a new page where you can create your account. Fill in the necessary details, including your email address and a secure password. You may also be asked for additional information, such as your name and business name. After entering all required information, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Next, you will encounter a payment page, where you need to enter your payment information. Ensure that you review the plan details, including any trial periods, before finalizing your payment. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your email and follow the link provided to confirm your email address. Now, return to the Leadpages login page and enter your registered email and password to access your new account. After logging in, navigate. From here, locate the Webinars option in the menu. Click on Webinars to explore the available features for setting up your first webinar. Set up your webinar by following the prompts, including selecting the date, time, and topic. Finally, create your lead capture form to gather information from attendees. Make sure to customize the form to ensure it matches your branding and objectives. Once everything is set, you are ready to start capturing leads and running webinars effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.